Hey guys, welcome to Roost Vans. We're going over our latest build, Baca. Now this is a 2013 136 wheelbase Ram Promaster, and they wanted a pretty Spartan build. They got a couple factory swivel seats installed, and we went ahead and put in a heater on the driver's side.
And this heater enclosure that we put over the heater has a false bottom that protects the heater, but also gives you an opportunity to store items and hide them in that cavity. Now we make these custom enclosures whenever our standard enclosures just don't quite do the job. It has a leather pull handle, which is a nice detail that Roost Vans offers, and is custom built completely to what we feel our specifications need to be in order to make the heater work, but also provide the maximum amount of usability for the customer too.
Our two-panel flip-up kit bed system, as well as upper paneling, the rail system on this Promaster, and put in our bamboo fan trim ring, a couple of inset window panels. But you'll notice that there's no finishing that we performed on the rest of the windows or the doorways. And the reason for that is that, well, they were on a budget, and Roost does a pretty good job with that, in that they wanted to customize their build and their budget and get the most for their dollar. So we created some new upper cabinets in line with our standard transit and sprinter upper cabinets. You'll notice that these are a little bit wider at 30 inches as opposed to 24 inches that are available online now. These are also custom fit to the Promaster profile, and it's going to be a new product for Roost Van that we're pretty excited about. Now our flip-up kit bed system, this one is particularly sized for the Promaster, and very similar in size and exactly the same in function of our transit and sprinter flip-up kit bed system. Went ahead and installed all of our standard electrical and a lower paneling system, as well as our lower smooth rail mounting system. Went ahead and installed our power panel that integrates really well with the Goal Zero product line, and also moved the switch plate for the entire build up to right above the bed system so that they can have quick access to all of the under cabinet lighting as well as the ceiling light dimming. As you can see, bed system works really well just to sit on. And if you pull up the back of the bed and get one of our custom Roost mattresses, then you can make yourself a nice sofa. Thanks for visiting us. Check out roostvans.com.